If you think your day was chaotic, wait until you see this. From NASA-level light shows to chicken-based traffic disasters, these are the moments that'll make you appreciate your 9 to 5. Let's dive into the glorious mess that is humanity in action. So, a truck full of chickens wrecked in downtown Philadelphia. Some are dead, some are walking, all of them causing absolute mayhem. Chicken crossing signs appear with honking and feathers. The plan was perfect until one tiny miscalculation turned it into a group project from hell. The idea sounded amazing in his head, but reality? Reality had other plans. This guy? Yeah, he's not ready for a construction site, or a sandbox, or responsibility in general. Oh! The bridge survived. The drivers? Not so much. Hours of being stuck and zero patience left to give. He overestimated the truck's load capacity and underestimated gravity. Fun fact, downloads don't just go digital, they can also go very downhill.
Birat mga idol.
If someone starts recording before the mistake, it's because they already know it's going to be a disaster. The most creative way to hide a wall defect, slap something on it and hope nobody notices. And honestly, it's working.
Close, follow millimeter.
Вот так проходит день монтера в пути.
Joe, can you check that disaster out for me? Right. Fair enough. Cancel his promotion. Imagine arriving at your final destination expecting success, and instead finding chaos waiting at the door. Plot twist, he brought it with him. Ham HR? Huh? What language is that? That's not a sentence, that's a system error. Reboot immediately.
โอเคนะทุกคนขอจบ
Hello, Mr. George. Quick question. How much did you pay for the new guy? Because whatever it was, you overpaid. There is no doubt this person deserves an award for building the most unnecessary, unstable invention of the year. If you made it this far, congrats, you survived the chaos. Go forth, appreciate your boring day, and for the love of chickens, don't knock down any fences. On screen, LIKE if you've ever seen a chicken in traffic. SUBSCRIBE for your weekly dose of nonsense I